It is a wonderful day. It is a wonderful day.
Hello, why are you not answering my call? Hello, why are you not answering my call?
Hello, my phone was in my pocket. Hello, my phone was in my pocket. I did not hear the ring. I did not hear the ring.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Where are you now? Where are you now?
I am on the way. I am on the way.
Please go fast. Please go fast.
I am walking quickly. I am walking quickly.
Be careful on the road. Be careful on the road.
Yes, I am careful. Yes, I am careful.
Did you reach the market? Did you reach the market?
Not yet, I am going. Not yet, I am going.
Call me when you arrive. Call me when you arrive.
Okay, I will call you. Okay, I will call you. I have reached the market. I have reached the market.
Good, now listen carefully. Good, now listen carefully. What do you see? What do you see?
I see many shops. I see many shops.
Go to the grocery shop. Go to the grocery shop.
Okay, I am going to the shop. Okay, I am going to the shop. How much is 1 liter of oil? How much is 1 liter of oil?
What did the shopkeeper say? What did the shopkeeper say?
1 liter oil is $1. 1 liter oil is $1.
Okay, buy 1 liter oil. Okay, buy 1 liter oil. Now buy rice. Now buy rice.
How much rice? How much rice?
Buy 2 kilos of rice. Buy 2 kilos of rice.
I am buying rice. I am buying rice.
Check the quality. Check the quality.
The rice looks good. The rice looks good.
Now buy vegetables. Now buy vegetables.
Which vegetables? Which vegetables?
Buy tomatoes and onions. Buy tomatoes and onions. And buy onions too. And buy onions too.
I am buying onions. I am buying onions.
Buy 6 eggs. Buy 6 eggs. Be careful, they can break. Be careful, they can break.
Yes, I am careful. Yes, I am careful. I think we need salt. I think we need salt.
Yes, buy a packet of salt. Yes, buy a packet of salt.
The total is $10. The total is $10. I am paying now. I am paying now.
Good, now come home. Good, now come home.
I am leaving the market. I am leaving the market.
I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you.
I am near home now. I am near home now.